for the following counties in Kentucky: Johnson and Martin. Issued at 11:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Light snow will taper to mainly flurries by early Monday morning. Overnight accumulations should be an inch or less. Areas affected include: the winter storm warning is for portions of northeast and southeast Kentucky. The hazardous weather can be expected. The winter storm warning is in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Kentucky can be found by visiting https://goki.kentucky.gov.